In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Evernote account. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you understand each action clearly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Evernote website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Evernote. Once you've reached the home page, it's time to log into your account. Enter your email address and password that you used when you originally created your Evernote account. Make sure these are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, which will walk you through some simple security steps. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you should see a variety of options. You'll want to find the section labeled Account Info. Click on this, and you'll then be taken to your Profile section. This area contains important details related to your account settings and preferences. In your Profile section, keep an eye out for the Account Status part of the page. This is where you'll find the link to initiate the process of closing your account. Look for a blue link that says, Close your Evernote account. Click on it, and this will open up a sequence of prompts designed to guide you through the account closure process. As you're going through these prompts, it's important to remember that closing your account is a permanent action. This means that once you delete your account, you won't be able to recover any of the data or notes stored within it. It might be a good idea to back up any essential information or notes before proceeding further. Consider downloading or exporting any files that you might want to keep, because after deletion, they will be lost. Continue following the on-screen instructions presented by Evernote. These prompts are there to ensure you fully understand the implications of your decision and that you genuinely want to proceed with the closing of your account. They might ask you to confirm your choice, and you may need to enter your password again as a security measure. Once you've completed each step and confirmed your decision, your Evernote account will be closed and permanently deleted. Remember, you'll receive a confirmation of closure once the process is complete. This final step is reassuring, as it confirms the successful closure of your account. And there you have it, the straightforward process of deleting your Evernote account. Hopefully this guide has made the steps clear and simple to follow. If you ever decide to return to Evernote, you can always create a new account, but just keep in mind that your old data won't be retrievable. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.